How's everyone feeling tonight?
I'm feeling great, Cynthia. I can't stand it. I'm feeling so good.
This is your first show of the night, huh?
Yeah.
I know. Jealous?
Yeah. A little.
You know, all I know in
been a long
today's
day.
world, Cynthia, you better show up and bring some value. And you missing half the day. Actually, I'm being generous half the day. 2/3 of the day.
But the bottom line is I showed up.
Well, that's not good enough. But you're right. At least you're here. Do you know what happened 1 year ago today?
Yeah.
Honestly.
The fires.
Yeah.
That we
Do you remember that up in the
experienced.
Panhandle?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that was 1 year ago today.
Can't believe that.
1 year ago today, and it was significant.
Yeah.
So
Deadly,
that's
too.
what I want. Unfortunately, yes, that's what I want to talk about. It was the Smokehouse Creek fire, February 26th. I know it's hard to believe that it's been a year, and look at how massive that was. It extended, it's northeast of Amarillo, is the area, of course, so it extended anywhere from around Stinnett, north of Wheeler, just all around Canadian, Miami, north of Pampa. I mean, really, really bad news up there. So let me give you some stats on exactly what took place. Again, February 26, 2024, over 1 million acres burned over the course of 3 weeks. The largest wildfire in recorded Texas history. Now, this is an interesting stat. Recorded Texas fire history started in 1988. Okay, so that's not that many years. But over 1 million acres is huge. Huge fire. But again, since 1988, that's when the fire record started to be kept here. I don't know why it was 1988. That's interesting. I need to see if I can find more information about that. Ignited by a damaged utility pole and crew due to dry, warm, and windy weather. Here's what I want you to remember. Not only the 1 year anniversary of that, but please know in the state of Texas, wildfires can happen at any time. It is winter in Texas, and that is certainly wildfire season. We have these dry cold fronts, the winds start to increase, the humidity starts to drop, just the dry conditions in place, and then we have a secondary fire season too. We've all experienced that if you've lived here for any amount of time. That's late summer, higher heat, extended rain-free periods. You know, that's when we get into the drought, and at times that's when it can be at its worst. So just please remember, fires can start any time in the state of Texas. Do whatever you can to help keep that down. I have a little bit of rain in my forecast overnight. As you look outside right now, cloud cover starts to increase tonight. It's not a lot of rain. 20–30% of us pick up some rain. That's the way the radar will look at I'm talking some sprinkles or some spotty showers. There's midnight, there's 3 o'clock in the morning. Now we'll go to 7 a.m., 4, 5, 6, 7 a.m. We're mainly dry here, a couple sprinkles off to the southeast. And temperatures tonight, pretty close to, a little warmer than normal, but pretty close to what we had last night, early this morning. 50 in Dallas, 50 in McKinney, 55 in Waxahachie, the same thing in Granbury, 50 in Mineral Wells, 49 in Denton and in Fort Worth. Rain coverage is fairly limited as we head through the overnight. We start at 7 o'clock tomorrow with clouds. Watch this. Trying to see a little bit of sun by 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. We're starting to see some sunshine by the noon hour, and then we clear from north to south as the day moves along tomorrow. And by the afternoon, we are mostly sunny. High today was 81. Highs tomorrow are going to be noticeably cooler. High tomorrow in Dallas is 67, 68 in Fort Worth. So this is not a major cool down, but 10 to 15 degrees cooler. That's indeed what's in the forecast. Tonight, 49, spotty light showers develop. There's no severe weather tonight. Tomorrow, clouds early in the day. Then skies become mostly sunny, dry, cooler, a pleasant day, 69. That's the high tomorrow. 70s on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. A little bit of rain is possible late day Sunday, but a better time for rain is going to be Sunday night. Now, that's just some scattered showers. I don't have any severe weather in my forecast there. The potential severe weather day, a low end threat, that could be on Tuesday. Right now, early Tuesday morning, dry on Wednesday, and then the final 7 of the 14-day forecast. Next weekend is time change weekend.
Yes.
Daylight saving time begins. Spring forward. Set the clocks ahead 1 hour. Change your batteries in your smoke detector, Jonah, your carbon monoxide detector. Now that you're a husband and a father, you have to do all those things.
You know, while you were telling everybody about it's going to be 70 and sunny, I was asking Izzy how to say hermano, because I took French in school. I'm not very good at speaking Spanish. So is that?
Hermano.
Hermano.
What does that mean?
It means Luka Doncic and Kyrie Irving. That's what I've learned. That's what I've learned in my years of covering sports.